students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 24, that is comprehension passages. So, let's begin with this lesson. Here, what are comprehension? Comprehension is the ability to understand a given passage. ये एक ability होती है समझने की, जो आपके पास passage given है. To test the reader's grasping power and their style of writing, certain questions are asked. Yes, grasping power देखने के लिए writer की या फिर style of writing देखने के लिए कुछ questions भी पूछे जाते हैं. The reader is required to answer these questions in a simple, clear and easy to understand style. तो reader को क्या करना होता है? Questions को answer करना होता है एक simple way में, अंडरस्टैंडेबल वे में एंड इजली, जो आप तुम्हें क्लियर, सिंपल एंड अंडरस्टैंडेबल स्टाइल में करना होता है आंसर. द रीडर मस्ट गिव आंसर इन देयर ओन वर्ड्स. यस, रीडर के आप आंसर्स अपने वर्ड्स में होने चाहिए. द स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग थ्रोज लाइट ऑन द ग्रास्पिंग पावर ऑफ रीडर. जो स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग है वो क्या थ्रो करती है, लाइट किस पे थ्रो करती है? ग्रास्पिंग पावर ऑफ अ रीडर, कि उसकी कैसी ग्रास्पिंग पावर, कैचिंग पावर कैसी है. Now it needs some practice on the part of the reader to give suitable answers to the question asked. कुछ प्रैक्टिस करनी होती है. तो क्या होता है, व्हाइल आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एन अनसीन पैसेज, कीप द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स इन योर माइंड. अगर आपको आंसर करना है अनसीन पैसेज के क्वेश्चंस को, आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स अपने माइंड में रखने पड़ेंगे. व्हाट आर दीस पॉइंट्स? लेट्स सी विद मी. Go through the passage each clear slowly so that you are able to understand it thoroughly. आपको पैसेज एज में स्लोली जाना है जिससे आप अंडरस्टैंड कर पाओ उसे अच्छे से. Read the questions and then try to find what are their answers. पहले आपको क्वेश्चंस रीड करने हैं, फिर उसके आंसर्स फाइंड करने हैं पैसेज में. While writing answer, use your language. जब आप आंसर लिख रहे होते हैं, आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज यूज करनी है. Avoid spelling and grammatical mistakes. आप spelling और grammatical mistakes को avoid कर सकते हो. Try not to copy phrases or words from the passage. आपको ट्राई करना है कॉपी ना करो आप वर्ड्स अपने पैसेज से. Try to understand the theme of the passage and author's view about the subject. आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है थीम पैसेज का एंड ऑथर के व्यू सब्जेक्ट के लिए. यूज fewer words in your answer. आपको कम से कम वर्ड्स यूज करने हैं अपने आंसर में. Try to be brief. आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना है to the point and write short, clear and direct answer. आपको short, clear और एकदम डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखना है अपने वर्ड्स में. So sometimes a suitable is asked. Find out the main ideas of the passage. Yes, since कभी कभी ऐसे ही पूछ रहे थे कि मेन आइडिया क्या है इस पैसेज का, and think of what that is suit as title. The title may be in the form of a single word or phrase. आपका title किस फॉर्म में हो सकता है? सिंगल वर्ड में भी हो सकता है, फ्रेज भी हो सकता है. Keep the points in mind and go through the passages that follow. Here is one passage. Read the following passage carefully. It is feared that polar bears will be extinct by the end of 21st century if global warming continues at its present time. Temperatures are rising more quickly in the Arctic than anywhere in the world. The Arctic is the only place where polar bears are found. खाली polar bears सामने मिलते हैं, खाली Arctic place पे मिलते हैं. During the winter, polar bears live and hunt of the seasides. They roam along distances in search of their main source of food. The ring seal. Through the ice, they can sense the movement of a seal below. They lie in wait close to a hole in the ice, ready to pounce when the seal comes up for air. In summer, as the ice melts, some bears return to the shore. Bears कहाँ चले जाते हैं जब ice melt हो जाती है? अपने shore की तरफ चले जाते हैं, fasting until the cold weather and sea ice return. Fast करते हैं जब तक cold weather नहीं आती या sea ice return नहीं होती. Others continue to hunt. They swim in the icy Arctic waters until they reach floating sea ice swarm, which they prey on seals. Global warming has increased the temperature in the Arctic so much that the warmer weather comes sooner each year as it lasts longer. This means that the sea ice begins melting sooner and takes longer to return. That here's the bears that fast have longer to wait, can begin hunting again. Those which are still hunting on floating ice have further to swim between each ice platform. Bears that have been fasting all summers now weight less and are much weaker. They have lost too much of fat reserve, which is needed as protection from the cold as a source of energy. Mothers with the cubs are unable to produce enough milk and more cubs are dying. Females that do not weigh enough are unable to have cubs at all. It has been predicted that by the end of the century, there will be no sea ice left during longer summer times, As the time temperature continues to rise, the cold winter period with abundant ice will be much shorter. All the polar bears will be forced to spend the summer's month fasting. They will become even weaker and less able to produce and support their young. The population of polar bear will be drastically reduced, making extinction of very rarely possible. So here you have to answer these questions by your own. I will explain you some of that. Take the correct answer, how to choose the answer. So see, take the correct answer. The young of a polar bear is called teddy, calf, kit, or cub. Cub. Dash may lead to extinction of polar bear, the icy Arctic water, global warming, the ring sea, the sea ice, global warming. Polar bears are found in the South Pole, Antarctic, the Arctic, and the Canada, the Arctic. Temperature rise fastest in the tropic, temperate zone, Antarctic, or Arctic. Sea ice is dash, ice that covers parts of the sea, ice on which seals live, coldest part of sea, ice close to the sea, coldest part of the sea, and ice on which seals live. So, like this, we have to answer these questions, and you have to answer the following questions also. So, this was the explanation of the comprehension. First, you have to understand the passage thoroughly, the main idea of the passage, and you have to answer the word. You have to answer the questions in your own words, study and guide. So see you in the next class. Hope you will learn this thoroughly. See you in my next class. Thank you.